Alright, hello students, how are you all? Kindly come and join in the live so that today we are going to discuss exercise problems 16.2, 5 to 13. Okay, so exercise 16.2, 5 to 13 problems. Yesterday, fourth one I given as homework for you all. Let us start our class. Right, now let's move on to the fifth one. A bag contains 5 white balls. So now here it is. Fifth question. So a bag contains 5 white balls. So white balls is equal to 5. And then red. So red balls is 7. Black is 8. If 4 balls are drawn one by one without replacement, 4 balls are drawn without replacement. So replacement was not done. Find the probability of getting all white balls. So find probability of getting all white balls. This we need to find out. Before going to our class, let us close our eyes and then we'll start. So, God kindly provide your knowledge and wisdom to solve our mathematics problems and our daily life problems. Thank you, God. Right. First, let me check how many total number of balls. So now, anyhow, your total balls is equal to add these all 7 plus 8, 15, 15 plus 5, 20 balls are total balls. Okay. Then first row what happened, second row what happened, third row what happened, fourth row what happened. That we need to check and it becomes very easy for you. Just concentrate. So now in the first draw. So what are the favorable, what are the not favorable events that we need to find out? Let me say some probability in this. Okay. So in the first draw, probability of getting white ball. Probability of getting white ball. That is equal to what are favorable outcomes out of 5, 1. And out of 21, 5 out of 20, 5 ones are 5 fours are, so 1 upon 4 is your answer. And next probability of getting white ball in the second draw. I'm directly writing second draw probability of getting white ball. WB means white ball. Okay. So now one ball already removed and it is not replaced. This is very important here. Without replacement. So it is not replaced. So that means in 5 balls, one ball already removed. Then how many balls will be now? 4 balls. And out of 4, 1 we need to take. And in the total also 1 you are removed means it is not replaced means 19 will be, so in 19 1 we will take. So now it is 4 C1 is 4, 19 C1 is nothing but 19. Same method, third draw. Probability of getting white ball and writing PB probability of getting white ball. So I'll write PB of getting WB, white ball. So now, how many balls in 4 balls? 1 removed, there three balls. So now 3C1 out of, and in this one already removed, so how many will be 18? 18C1. So 3 out of 18, 3 ones are 3, 3 six are 18, so 1 upon 6. I hope. Okay, Shubham, good morning. Tanish Jain, yesterday absent. Today he is present. Okay, that's good. So now, fourth to draw. Same method, PB of getting WB means probability of getting white ball. So three balls completed, then how many balls next? Two balls. So 2C1. In next 18 balls, 1 will be 17. So that's 17C1, 2 upon 17. So now four draws came, and each ball, see here, find the probability of getting all white balls. First draw also white ball one, the second draw also white ball, third draw also white ball, fourth draw also white ball. So now at last, probability of getting all white balls is equal to, what is our first one? 1 upon 4. Second one, 4 upon 19. Third one, 1 upon 6. And then fourth one, 2 upon 17. Here we are using multiplication property of probability. Okay. I know today, I think you all are having network issue now. You all are having some work. So I was fine yesterday and this you all, your friends all sending to me message that, sir, kindly one sending like, sir, I have some other work, and some other sending like, I have business, and some other sending us, I have some other, I was not in my home. So reasons are many, but willingness is important. So that's the reason I was not at all replied to anyone in the WhatsApp. So those messages was forwarded to the, your madam, so that you can reply to your madam, because she was asking me every day. Your madam was asking me every day how many students are coming, what the reason they were not coming. So I have to give report. For you it was very easy, but for me to hide you all it was very difficult. So that's the reason yesterday also I was given mainly commerce student names. So Akshit name was given, and then Tanish also yesterday was not present. His name was also given, and Deepal also not present. Yesterday no commerce student is present, right? So everything was noted, and they want report. I was submitting that. Please kindly understand it. I don't know what actions they are going to take. Okay. Um, this I don't know about that. So, but online classes now you already know that government was made compulsory as online classes. I hope if you are following the news, you can find out those. So if you are not willing to come to the college, you have to be in the online classes every day, minimum 45 minutes per day. But anyhow, we'll keep that aside. But I have to give the report kindly. Everyone come. Okay. Shubham, okay, Shubham, whatever you are giving information, it was very good. But I was saying about online classes, not about offline classes. Okay. All right. That's okay. Leave those on. So let us concentrate on our class now. So two ones, any of four get cancelled, two ones are, two threes are. So when you multiply, you are going to get 1 upon 969. 90 into 3 into 17 means you are going to get as 969. So what is our probability of getting white bars? So that is 1 upon 969. Okay. And remember kindly this, we are struggling this much and we are helping you, not for some other purpose. You know, my voice From past 3 days onwards, it was struggling a lot. But whenever I'm coming to the class, I was using loudly. So anyhow, last 3 days onwards, I was try by using loudly because you are saying that voice is not clear. So then my voice also gone. So we are struggling and trying to help you, but if you are not attending to the classes, it hurts really. It hurts very badly. So kindly understand it and kindly join to the live classes regularly and learn something that is going to be good. Tanish Jain, kindly refresh it so that you are going to get nicely. Okay. So I decided like whether you come or not, I will complete it this. All right. So Tanish Jain, I don't know again and again I need to tell for you or not. You already know that our math class was already fixed. It is our fixed time in between 10 to 11. So inform to your other teachers to change their timing. How come they are going to be take my class? So kindly inform to them, okay? So kindly inform to your other teacher, whoever taking the class. For them inform and take my class time. Kindly come to the class, okay? Because it's really hurts us very badly. Right, anyhow, let me go for sixth one. A die is tossed thrice. A die is tossed thrice. Thrice means 3 times. Find the probability of getting an odd number at least once. Getting an odd number at least once. Okay. So 3 times your die is tossed and I need to get an odd number at least once. Okay. So it is, we need to check odd number at least once how it is possible to get or not. So now first die means what are the possible outcomes, that is like sample space. You can say that possible outcomes. So possible outcomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are we can call it as a possible outcomes. So number of favorable outcomes, even numbers only, odd numbers only. So here what they said it is find the probability of getting an odd number at least once. So odd number need to get at least once. Okay. So now what we'll do is for this. So first we'll check at least once even number. What is the even number you are getting? Then we are going to the odd numbers. Okay. So that it becomes as easy. So first even number. So 2, 4, 6. Then here, what is the probability of getting the even number? Probability of getting even number is equal to favorable outcomes are 3, total number of outcomes are 6, 3 ones, 3 twos. That is 1 upon 2. Now, 3 times I need to get even number. So, probability of getting an even number. So 1 upon 2, first time 1 upon 2, second time again 1 upon 2, third time again 1 upon 2, so that 1 upon 8. Then now what is probability of getting an odd number? So an odd number means, so it is very easy, 1 minus 1.8. This is like P of E and this is like P of not E, because here odd numbers are 3, even numbers are 3. Because of that reason, we went in this way. So now what we'll do here, 8 upon 8, 1 we get 8 upon 8 minus 1 upon 8, 7 upon 8. So probability of getting an odd number at least once means 7 upon 8. Okay, so this you want to solve means first you need to go for even number, then you need to solve. So that is about it. And let's move on to the next one. Very, very simple question. So we are going to complete, I think we are going to complete very soon. So next seventh question. So while rubbing this itself, we will discuss about it. 7. Two cards are drawn at random without replacement from the pack of 52 playing cards. Find the probability of both cards are black. Both cards are black. Alright, it is very good. So I need to find both the cards are black. So what they said it is, there is a one deck of cards, it is problem number 7. Two cards are there, two cards they were removed. Okay, so now first time when they remove, that is black, and second time removed, that is also black. So what is the probability of getting two times black? So now total cards first. Total cards you already know it, 52. In the black is 26, white also, sorry, black and red also 26. So now, when you draw in the first draw, probability of getting, here what would be given? Replacement not done. So replacement was not done. Okay. So now probability of getting black card. So now you can write 26 plus 1 will take, out of 52 1 will take. So 26 upon 52. 26 ones are 26 twos are. So now it is half. Next, probability of getting, it is again second draw. So in the second draw, probability of getting black card. So now you can write one already removed and it was not replaced. That means 25C1. And here also one removed, not replaced, then 51C1. Now 25 upon 51. Now what is probability of getting black card both times is equal to, just multiply these two, half into 25 upon 51. So now 25 upon 2 ones are 2, 2 5s are 10, 1 are 2. So 25 upon 1 are 2 is your probability. Okay. All right. Anyhow, some disturbance was happening. Let's move on to the next one. This is eighth question we need to solve next. Eighth question. This is about your seven, and now let's move on to the eighth. We complete now today this exercise 16.2 we need to complete. Right. So next one is your eighth problem. So listen, eighth one. Two problems are two coins are tossed. What is the probability of two heads? If it is known that at least one head comes up. So here it is, one head is comes up this end. So let me go over probability of coming up two heads. So A is like two heads coming up. B is at least one head. One head comes up. So it is also very easiest one. You already know that how to find. First here two coins are tossed. Then what is our sample space? TT, TH, HT, HH. Right? Two heads coming up. So capital A is equal to two heads coming up only one time. Capital B is equal to at least one head comes up. TH, HT, HH. So this is n of A is equal to 1, n of B is equal to 3. Now, n of, sorry, first A intersection we find, HH is our common one, so HH you can write. So n of A intersection B is equal to 1 we can write. So who are in, anyhow who are participating in live class, I'll appreciate you all. You done good job. So now after this, what will we here? P of A upon B. What is your formula? N of A intersection B upon N of B. You can use even P of A intersection B upon P of B also. Whichever you use, you will get answer as same. So now here it is. N of A intersection B is 1. N of B is nothing but here 3. So 1 upon 3 is your answer. That is about your 8th question. So let's move on to the next. Whoever came and those students definitely they will get the benefit who are coming regularly. Now this is completed now. Right. Next question. In a hostel, 60% of students read Hindi newspaper. So here in line, there is one hostel. 60% students read Hindi newspaper. So they read Hindi newspaper. 40% students read English newspaper. Next, 20% students read both. Read both newspapers. Okay? Then a student is selected random. Find the probability that he reads neither Hindi nor English. Neither Hindi nor English means he won't read both the newspapers. Okay? So neither Hindi nor. Okay. So So here we can write as neither in any of first one it is find probability that he reads neither Hindi nor English newspaper. So second one, if he reads Hindi newspaper, find the probability that he reads English newspaper. Because they said if he reads Hindi newspaper, find the probability of reads English newspaper. Here H means Hindi newspaper. And third one, reverse of this. If he reads English newspaper, find the probability of find the probability of reads Hindi newspaper. Very good. Easiest one only they given, they were not given a difficult question. It is, see that 60% students read Hindi newspaper. Percentage given that make into the probability. So now probability of reading Hindi newspaper is equal to 0.6. 60% means zero point 0.6. English newspaper, probability of English newspaper 0.4, and both they said probability of Hindi intersection English is equal to 0.2. You got all. When you get all, then what is union also find. What is your formula? P of H union E is equal to P of E plus P of H minus P of H intersection E. Use this and find union. P of E is 0.6. P of H is sorry, any of these both add minus P of H intersection is 0.2. 0.6 plus 0.2 because 0.4 minus 0.2 you get as 0.2. So then here 0.8. So union E means both together Hindi and English. Either neither Hindi, sorry, both reading students at least one newspaper reading students are 0.8. And how many are not going to read? Definitely it is 0.2. But anyhow, that all we will write now separately. But directly it indicates that P of H union is 0.8 and not reading should be 100. 100% is remove this 0.8. You are going to get simply what is they were asked here. Probability that he reads neither Hindi nor English means P of H Hindi or English newspaper. No paper will be read by these 20% people. Okay. All right. No, I feel nothing will be. So here Shubham Sharma was diverting the topic to the IPL. Okay. So we don't want to watch. So mainly I won't watch. You can watch. It's okay. Let's move on to the next then. So second one, what they said, if he reads Hindi newspaper, find the probability of reads English newspaper. So it is very easiest one. So you just concentrate what is the formula I tell to you. So here probability of English newspaper given that Hindi. So P of E upon H is equal to P of E intersection H or H intersection E upon P of H. So next one same method. For next question, P of H upon E is equal to P of E intersection H or H intersection E P of E. Just substitute get your answers. E intersection H already found 0.2. P of H is nothing but 0.6. So then it is multiplied with the 10. You are going to get as 2 upon 6. 1 is a 3 is a 1 upon 3. Same method here also. Point 2 upon P of E is nothing but 0.4. So this multiplied 2 upon 4, 1 upon 2. That much only. These are the probabilities. It is very easy, but just you need to concentrate on that. So only the formulas, if you know, it becomes as very easy. Otherwise, it becomes very difficult. So that is about your problem number 9. And let's move on to the 10th. We don't have time, so we'll complete fast. So I think now what is the time now? 30 minutes. Okay. Okay. So now only 9 minutes is left for me for the next class, so I'll complete for you within this time itself. So within 9 minutes, how many is possible? That many will complete, and remaining will be homework. Find. Okay. Listen this. 10th question is just like 9th question. Kindly complete it. No, no, wait. All right, this 10th question is just like your 9th question, but here you have to multiply. And it was very easiest one. Do as a homework. It is very easiest one, so no need to explain, I think. But only I'll tell to you what is formula for that. So here 10th question they given as A can solve 90% of the problems given in a book and B can solve 70%. So if A can solve, they said 90%, that means 90 upon 100. B can solve 70%, 70 upon 100. So this is again, if you want to cancel, you can cancel and then you can write it. So what is those we can write? So we can cancel also 0, 0, 9 upon 10, 0, 0, 7 upon 10. P of A naught also find 1 minus 9 upon 10, that is 10 upon 10 minus 9 upon 10 is equal to 1 upon 10. Same method, P of B naught also find, that is 1 minus 7 upon 10, that is 10 upon 10 minus 7 upon 10. 3 upon 10. Okay? Alright. Okay. What I need to find in this? What is the probability that at least one of them will solve the problem selected at random from the book? So at least one person need to solve the question. So that means what are the possibilities? So A can solve, B cannot solve, and then A cannot solve, B can solve, A, B both can solve. Possibility. Both cannot solve, that is we don't want. So these all probabilities when you add, your at least any one student can solve. So this is our required probability. So we can write this as P of A into P of B naught plus P of A naught P of B by using multiplication property now. P of A into P of B. I think all values are here, just substitution only. P of A is nothing but 9 upon 10 into P of B naught is nothing but 3 upon 10. P of A naught is nothing but 1 upon 10. P of B is nothing but 7 upon 10. P of A is nothing but 9 upon 10. P of B is nothing but 7 upon 10. Just multiply it. 27 upon 100, 7 upon 100, 63 upon 100. 100 you can write as LCM, add on. 63, 27 and 7. So 10, 17, 6, 7, 8, 9, 97. 97 upon 100, that is nothing but 97 percentage is possible to solve by the any one of the student. So that is about your answer. If you want only probability, write 0.97. Okay. So that is about your problem number 10. And now 11, all are easy now. 11, 12, 13. Three problems are homework for you all. You can complete it. And if you get any doubt, you can ask me within today itself, within the evening. Okay, so that I can, or you can ask me in the next class also, so that I can help you. May God bless you all, and let's maybe if possible or not tomorrow will you get to know whether it is clear tomorrow or not, because my voice is good condition only, then I can take. If not, I'll give only homework for you. You need to complete it. All right. May God bless you. May God bless you all.